Animals. Animals. How much animals? Zebra, lion, deer, hippo, bear, and giraffe. These are 6 animals. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 animals. Deer, 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 deer. D for deer. Small d. D for R. D double E R. Deer. D D D D D D D is for D.